What's up, everybody? This is Jay, back with another product review, sneakerhead shoe review. Now, this right here, some of my favorite shoes that I bought as far as looks. Now, I know everybody talk about Jordan 11s. It's probably the best looking shoes ever made, or their favorite pair of Jordans. And I do like the Jordan 11s a lot. But to me, it's damn near nothing better than the Jordan 4s to me. And this right here is a pair of Jordan 4s I bought from STOCKX. Now, I bought them from somebody else selling them on the third-party site that they got them from STOCKX. I paid a nice amount, but it's kind of hard to tell sometimes whether you got, a good deal or not. Nevertheless, this box was damaged when I got it, but it did have, a nice features to it with the see-through elements to the box. So, this right here, it had nice, off-white Jordan brand paper as well. So you can see that off-white Jordan brand paper. Also, it did come with this paper right here from STOCKX. Okay. And here's the shoes. And these are some of the best looking 4s that I've ever seen. I'm very happy about the look of the shoe, the quality of the shoe, everything. It's got a lot of different features in it. And I really like them a lot. I'd probably never wear them. It also came with multiple pair of different shoes, as all off-white come with multiple shoelaces. Of course, it says shoelaces on it, as well as the authentic eBay verified. I did take this off, but it did come with the verified eBay tag. So, with that being said, this is a damn good shoe. I really like the color. I like the box, even though it was damaged. I like everything about the shoe. And I think that these right here, the feel, the material, these are really good. Off-white shoes, rare. And of course, the value goes up like crazy. So, I did get these from a third-party seller, so sometimes you don't know if you got the best deal or not. Nevertheless, I really wanted the shoes, and I'm satisfied with how it came out. So, with that being said, I think these are pretty dope. Jordan 4s are some of my favorite. Y'all let me know in the comments which ones is your favorite of all the Jordan brand line. Anyway, if you want me to do a product review or a shoe review, you let me know. Hit me up in the description box below, and I'll see y'all on the next video. And I'm out of here. Peace.